Looking to upgrade your car audio system without sacrificing sound quality? The Pro-Fi Class A/B amplifier offers a clean, powerful solution that cuts distortion and maximizes every watt of power. Whether your factory system lacks RCA outputs or you want to push your aftermarket setup further, this amplifier delivers the clarity and punch your music deserves. I recently connected this amplifier to an 8-inch Planet Audio subwoofer and a pair of 6x9 speakers, and the difference was immediately clear. The sound was crisp and rich, with deep bass and no noticeable distortion, even at higher volumes. That's thanks to the high-speed Pro-Fi MOSFET components and Class A/B topology, which work together to boost power efficiency and keep unwanted noise to a minimum. The aluminum heat sink with quick thermal dispersion technology also keeps the unit cool, so it runs smoothly without overheating during long listening sessions. What really stands out are the build quality and connectivity options. Nickel-plated brass terminals resist corrosion and provide a secure connection, while the screw-down connectors make installation straightforward, even if you're not a pro. This amplifier is designed to integrate seamlessly with OEM audio systems that don't offer RCA outputs, so you can easily upgrade without rewiring your entire setup. If you're serious about sound quality and want an amplifier that delivers consistent, distortion-free power, the Pro-Fi Class A/B amplifier is worth a look. It's built to handle your music with precision and durability, ensuring your ride sounds better every time you turn up the volume. Try it when you're ready to take your car audio to the next level.